Hello dear students. In this video lesson, we shall continue chapter number 1 of civics, in which we are discussing about the Indian Constitution. In the previous module, I told you about that our Constitution has guaranteed 6 fundamental rights to every citizen of India. These are essential human rights that are offered to every citizen irrespective of caste, race, creed, place of birth, religion or gender. These are equal to freedoms and these rights are essential for personal good and the society at large. So let's start with right to equality. According to our constitution, all citizens will be equally protected by the laws of the country, which means that all persons are equal before the law. The state cannot discriminate against a citizen on the basis of his race, caste, sex, religion or place of birth. The practice of untouchability, it has been abolished. Every citizen has access to public places such as playgrounds, shops, hotels, etc. All citizens can apply for government jobs. Right to freedom. Our constitution has given the right to freedom to every citizen. And these are right to freedom of speech and expression, right to assemble anywhere and without arms, right to form associations, right to move anywhere, right to reside anywhere and settle, right to adopt any occupation or profession. Next is about right against exploitation. So the right against exploitation that prohibits human trafficking, which means buying and selling of the humans, forced labor, and the working of children who are under 14 years of age. Cultural and educational rights. Our constitution recognizes the right of each group of people to establish and maintain educational institutions of its own in order to preserve and develop their language and culture. Right to freedom of religion. Every citizen in India has the right to worship, practice and propagate his or her religion. In the eyes of law, all religions are equal and each one of us should pay respect to other religions. You know that our country, that is the secular country, and here equal respect that is given to all the religions. Right to constitutional remedies. This right gives authority to the citizens to move to the high courts and the Supreme Court if they believe that any of their fundamental rights have been violated by the state. All these rights are binding upon every authority that has got the power to make laws. Fundamental duties. Fundamental duties are not legally enforceable to we people, to the citizens. But as a responsible citizen, this is our duty, the moral duty to follow them. Previously, there were 10 fundamental duties, but now there are 11 fundamental duties. So this was all about this chapter and the module. Thank you. Have a nice day.